Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and install this Joying aftermarket stereo. This is specifically for the 2016 Honda Civic. I'm going to install it in the LX. So this is the screen right here. Looks really nice, but this is all the wires that it came with. So we're going to have to figure it out. We got some instructions right there giving me kind of an idea of where it's going. So this is the unit. I already put the GPS antenna on there. So just looking at it, I just got to read it and figure it out. I've installed car stereos before, so I have an idea of what I'm doing. But let's go ahead and figure wherever all these wires go, and even if I'm going to need them all. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go ahead and remove this old stereo. Let me tell you how easy it is. So we have to remove these two little plastic pieces here. Got my panel tool. All you do is go in between the creases. I kind of already popped it out, but you just go in between the creases there, and then you just pop them all out, and it comes out really easy. So you go in between the creases, pop it out. You see that? There goes the plastic pieces. Alright guys, next we're going to take the AC control unit. You actually got to pull it from the bottom and kind of get these clips. It's just by two clips right there. But just grab it from the bottom, very careful. Pull on each side, you know, two hands, and then it'll come out. So that was not too bad. As soon as we remove the AC control unit, we're going to have two Phillips screw right there. 1, 2. We're going to go ahead and remove those two, and this should actually come out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get this one here that says antenna, CONT. We're going to plug it in on that one. You see, it just fits right away there. Next thing we're going to do is get this box, and if you see on these wires, on this ball full of wires here, you're going to see one that says rear view camera in. Then you're going to see, let me see here. You're going to see cam CVBS. So we're going to connect those together. All right. Alright guys, with all these wires, this item was specifically made for the 2016 Honda Civic. So these plugs just automatically just clip in, and they're only fitted for the ones that are coming out. So that's pretty cool. That's one of the reasons why I bought this stereo, to make it easy and I won't have to pay the install, and I can install it myself. So you see there, that plug went there, and there's some other ones here that come out, but this one would be that one. So we're going to go ahead and plug it up. Alright, so then I got my microphone, and I went ahead and put the wire in between there, ran it all the way across, took out my weather gasket here, and then pulled this back a little bit, and then ran it through the door. So if you can see, little wire coming out right there. Now I'm going to run it through the bottom and then run it in back of the stereo. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and install the GPS antenna. So I went ahead and screwed that tightly in, and then we're going to go ahead and it has a magnetic piece. I'm going to put it right on top of the radio. I placed my GPS antennas there, and it's convenient, so I've never had a problem. So I'm going to place it there, but you can place it on top of the car. Usually they place it somewhere right here or on the dash. It's all up to you. So I'm going to place it on top of my radio. If I have a problem, I'll just go ahead and take it all apart and do it again. But we'll figure it out. I never had a problem, so we'll just leave it there. Alright, so this is the new screen. So I'm going to get this strip here and connect it. If you can see there, it's connected. You can see those clips there. Those clips actually go right there, so it can hold on the stereo. So you see the back, and then these clips here on the side, they're gonna go mounted here where the old stereo was sitting on. So let's go ahead and do that. Once everything's connected here with the screen and the radio, it's nice and fitted and it's stable. All right, so you see the mic input there. We're gonna go ahead and put the microphone in there. Then you see this antenna. This antenna is gonna go right next to the mic. So we're gonna connect that right now.